और अब आपको सीधे पश्चिम बंगाल की खबर बता दें। यहाँ पर हाल ही में बीजेपी छोड़ के टीएमसी का दामन थामने वाले पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री और 2 बार के बीजेपी सांसद बाबुल सुप्रियो ने कहा है कि वो बदले की भावना से नहीं बल्कि अवसर को भांपते हुए टीएमसी में पुनः शामिल हुए हैं, वो वापस आए हैं। आसनसोल से सांसद बाबुल सुप्रियो को जुलाई में केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल से हटा दिया गया था, आपको बता दें, जिसके बाद वो नाराज थे और उन्होंने कहा था कि वो राजनीति से ही संन्यास लेने की बात सामने आ रही थी। बाबुल सुप्रियो का वापस टीएमसी में जाना बीजेपी के लिए इसलिए भी हैरानी भरा है क्योंकि भवानीपुर उपचुनाव के लिए उन्हें स्टार प्रचारक की जिम्मेदारी सौंपी गई थी। आपको ये भी बता दें कि भवानीपुर से ही ममता बनर्जी चुनाव लड़ेंगी। हमारे संवाददाता तमाल साहा ने बाबुल सुप्रियो से बातचीत की।
In 2014, he was there in Asansol seeking votes, singing one song, Kaho Na Pyar Hai. He went to the parliament. In 2019, once again, he went back to the parliament, but both occasions he was a BJP member of parliament. He's still a Lok Sabha member of parliament, but has joined Trinamool Congress. Many would say, how, why? Like, a question that you can't possibly avoid.
Well, first of all, first things first, as I said, grammatically, ethically, what is correct? There's going to be no hanky-panky in that. Day after, I think on Wednesday, as I go back to Bombay, Delhi, subject to Honorable Speaker Saab granting me his appointment, I'm going to tender my resignation as the MP of Asansol. So I have said that I'm leaving politics, I'll continue in music. That's what I want to do. But it was kind of, many felt it was, my public life ended in a kind of a retired hurt stage. So I think Trinamool Supremo, Honorable Chief Minister Mamta Didi, Abhishek, they presented me with a fantastic opportunity where I can continue to serve for the people of Bengal and can resume my public life with grace and with a purpose.
Is everything fine with the Modi government? Because as far as opposition,
I'm not one to comment on that.
Was everything transparent, okay in your ministry? Was everything transparent?
Bring something which was not transparent. You have the BJP vouching for it. Now, because I've changed parties, if you want to dig something and try to find something, I think you will find some great work that I've done. In thorough-ish English, what he said, that AMO is like someone standing on a graveyard. There are a lot of people below you, but no one is listening. I took it to my heart, and I think that many people felt that with the work that I've done, it's not wrong if I expect that maybe you could be given a promotion.
So you, by leaving BJP and joining Trinamool Congress, have you chosen Mamta Banerjee over Prime Minister?
In the opposition, Mamta Didi is top there in the list as a hopeful for 2024 Prime Ministership. So why should I mince word? Even if I was in BJP, I would have said the same thing. I think
that's the same
why not? I cannot.
Rahul Gandhi, nobody else, it's Mamta Banerjee.
No,
you're saying.
I said in the list of hopefuls, Mamta Didi is up there, and that's what I said. You can't put words in my mouth.
And
I exactly know what I'm saying, and let's not get into reverse mode, because in the reverse mode, when I was in those moments, I said whatever I needed to say. I'm not going to go back there and repeat that anymore.